Hello, my friends. Happy holidays. Happy Thanksgiving. Happy fall, y'all. Wow, we got really into that. So I am so happy. Why am I so happy? I don't know. I'm just very happy. But I'm very happy because I want to share with you guys a new, well, not a new, a Chanel bag reveal. And then also, I wanted to share with you guys my current favorites. I haven't done this in about a year, but this is gonna be, you know, kind of 'tis the season kind of current favorites. But before we do that, hello, what's going on? So I'm going to be showing you guys some current favorites, a few bags, a few beauty items, and a few clothing items. And of course, you know, one of my favorites, jewelry. But if you're new here, welcome back to my channel. I love to do things on fashion, luxury, and lifestyle. And today I'll be sharing with you guys my current favorites. All right, so let's just go right into the sponsors actually. So today I just wanted to say thank you so much to Ana Luisa Jewelry. So let's go straight into the sponsors of the video. Thank you so much, Ana Luisa, for sponsoring this video and for sending me 2 items. Guys, this is included in the current favorites because I have been wearing this for over 2 weeks and I am absolutely in love with it. Ana Luisa is a sustainable jewelry company that uses recycled materials like silver, gold, and also they have gold plated items, and they try to make fashion jewelry all intertwined but also affordable and also look stylish for accessibility for everybody. And so they just have a wide plethora of items that ranges from bracelets to earrings to necklaces, and I have been working with them for over 4 years, so I can tell you that I do love their items. So I wanted to show you guys actually 2 of my favorite pieces that they sent to me. I absolutely just love them so much. They're actually my favorite pieces that I have received out of anything I've received from them. And first off, I just wanted to show you guys this necklace. And this is a F necklace. So it's a F necklace like this, and this is my last name, and I love how small and dainty it is. And as you guys know, our last name starts with a F, and also our company is called Foray Collection, Foray Luxury Collection. And so I love wearing this F everywhere I go. It just really it's our last name, it's our family name. We're also gonna get like a family crest and just absolutely love it. It is gold plated, so I've been wearing it every day and not taking it off. You should take it off when you take a shower, but I kind of haven't. Also, I wanted to show you guys this bracelet. It is also gold plated, and it's this gold beaded bracelet. I really like the color of this bracelet because it's not like the typical like buttery gold. It's kind of like a brassy gold, and I really like that, and I just love how simple it is. And also it reminds me of like the silver and gold Tiffany beaded bracelets. I love it, except for this is more simple. All it is just the gold beads, and literally you can wear it with anything. And so I've been wearing it every single day for 2 weeks, and I absolutely love it. So yes, thank you so much, Ana Luisa. They do, I believe, have a Black Friday sale going on. Okay, editing tabby here. There is a huge Black Friday sale going on with Ana Luisa. It's the biggest sale of the year. Everything can be on sale for up to 35%. Everything sells out super quickly. This is a viral sale, Black Friday sale for Ana Luisa, so hurry up and click on this link down in the description box because you don't want to miss this Black Friday sale that is live right now. So thank you again, and let's continue on with the current favorites. So yes, so those are my 2 favorite jewelry pieces. I also wanted to show you guys this because I'm getting very sweaty and very hot right now. And this is actually, let me lower you a little bit, is something I crocheted, and it's going to be my Thanksgiving outfit. I'm actually right now just wearing it casually with a shirt, but I'm gonna wear like, you know, dress it up more for Thanksgiving. But I have like these different patchworks. There's yellow, green, also white and different colors, and I just absolutely love it. I know it's a little like unique and a little bit busy, but for me, I just think it really embodies the fall vibes. Whew. Well, I am hot, so I'm gonna take it off. I actually am gonna add some buttons to it too, but I need to get some. So that will probably be next year because Thanksgiving is here and now it's Christmas Eve. Thanksgiving is gonna be here in a couple days, and happy Thanksgiving, by the way. So now it's time for Christmas vibes. So let me take this off. And also, I wanted to, for you, those of you guys waiting, don't worry, the Chanel bag reveal will be coming very soon. But yeah, so we got that. Let's go next into, well, I have more crochet items, but why don't we just get into the beauty, because I don't want to forget this one. So guys, this is not sponsored. This is my ride or die for very, very dry skin. If you guys have dry skin, which I actually don't normally have dry skin. So as you guys know, in Colorado, it's so dry, guys, and this is not sponsored, but if you have extremely, extremely dry skin and you're in Colorado or I don't know, somewhere, and you want to have glowy, dewy skin, well, Merit Beauty, this is my favorite item. It is a oil, and you shake it well, and basically it has like all these like natural, really good stuff inside this glow serum, and you put it on before your lotion and your makeup, and you just like glow, and it also super hydrates your skin. This is definitely my favorite here. I will be purchasing, like, this is a month after use, and so I definitely will be purchasing way more of this. Absolutely love this, highly recommend it. And then next, this is kind of ugly, but I did tons of research on like a lip gloss, or excuse me, a chapstick that keeps your lips like very hydrated, and also like doesn't what's it called, that heals it, because a lot of people like recommend what is it called, Carmex or some other stuff to help with dry like lips. Well, I've tried that, and to be honest, I feel like I have to keep applying that and keep applying that, and it just doesn't really, for me, make the dry skin go away or heal it. Well, I watched tons of reviews and read tons of reviews, and this is what I found, and this is O'Keeffe's Lip Repair, and the reviews are absolutely correct. It's a pepperminty smell, and I mean, there's nothing really special about the aesthetic of it. I mean, if they made the packaging cuter, that'd be nice, but honestly, this is the only chapstick that actually heals my like really yucky chapped lips, and then also it makes it feel very moisturized. I don't even have to put this on very often, so it has like a thicker coat, but dry lips, yes, definitely try it. Got it on Amazon. I'll link everything that I can in the description box, but not everything is linkable. All right, should we, oh, can you see it? The back? You can't kind of see it. Okay, well, we'll get into it. So right now I actually have a new Back to Me Chanel purse. If you are an OG follower, then you will recognize this purse, and it is back in my collection, back in my life, and I haven't had it in my collection for about 3 or 4 years, and I had it from like 6 years ago when I was back in Denver. So yes, can you guess? Can you guess? Can you guess? Can you kind of see what it is? Can you kind of see what it is? I have my Chanel Diana back. This is my reveal. I have not had her in my life for, sorry, the light keeps changing too, guys. We're just doing natural lighting. I have not had her in my life for 3 or 4 years. And if you guys remember, I was contemplating gifting this to my mom for her 70th birthday, and I absolutely did. She got her use out of it, she loved it, but now she has another Chanel bag and a Gucci bag that she wears all the time, and so she really just doesn't like wearing this because she's afraid she's gonna, like, I don't know, she just thinks it's too like awesome because this is a Chanel Diana bag. I think it's from the, is it from the 80s? I can't remember. I have a whole video on like the details of this purse, what can fit in it. This is a bigger size. It is in gold hardware, and this is the real gold, like the gold plated from, because they no longer do that, but this is gold plated. And yeah, I just think that they made bags so incredibly well back in the days. And of course, what's her name? Princess Diana wore it, so she made it popular. That's why they call it the Diana bag. There is a smaller one. Like I said, I have a whole video on it, but I'm just so happy to have this back in my collection. She gave it back to me because, like I said, she doesn't want to wear it anymore. And so now I have her back in my collection. I wore her to date night, couples date night the other day, and absolutely loved it. So I probably will do some styling videos with this, because honestly I've only did a review video and then a what can fit in it. So I think I'm going to make some more videos on this. If you guys are interested, comment down below. But new bag in my life, but she's also like reunited with me. So yes, I love it. And yeah, I'm 5'2". You can go check out my video with the mod shots on it, so we don't make this video too long. And we're just gonna put her, how about right there for some eye candy? Yes, yes, eye candy, yes. Okay, next we're gonna go back into some crochet items. And I also, I'm like so into like my creative side, and I've been less of like the consumerism side and more of the creativity side. And I definitely encourage you guys to do that. It's so good for you, honestly. So this is also my other fall project that I made. This is a crochet project, and I was inspired by this girl right here. I'll link her video down below. And yeah, absolutely love this. Very fall vibes. Got a lot of compliments on this. And you know, like, crochet can come across as very grandma-y, but if you style it in a stylish way with cool jewelry, a cool bag, you can kind of like blend a creative side with a classy side and a cool side. So there's a fine blend. And yeah, we're just gonna wear it right now. Absolutely love it. Can only wear it for a few more days, because after this it's not fall vibes, it's Christmas vibes. So next is another purse, and this purse is called the Bosu, or is it Kosu bag? I forgot what it was called, but basically it's the Japanese origami folding bag, and I just finished crocheting it. I probably should have put something black, or sorry, something white in there, but I put something black so you can see it through the dots. So this is a minimal, very fashionable, very stylish bag that's very popular in Japan. It's simple, but I think super classy. You just put your wrist in it like this, and then you wear the purse like so. And I initially made this for one of my new really good friends here, and I love this so much that I'm gonna keep this one, and I'm actually gonna make her a brown one, because she's really, oh, is there so many shadows in my face? Let me scoot over, guys. So anyways, yeah, so I made this for her because she's very minimal, super classy, and I wanted to make something for her, and she loves purses. Girl, she has like an impeccable collection. So anyways, I'm gonna make her brown because she wears a lot of brown. And basically you unfold it and it looks like this. One handle is shorter and then one is bigger, and then you put it in the short handle like so, and then you got your Bosu or Kosu, I forgot, Japanese foldable origami bag. Love it. What do you guys think about this bag? I absolutely love it. I just love how minimal it is. And I'll link the tutorial that I followed down below, but I didn't really follow it. As a base I did, but then I added my like little elements to it on its own. So yes, love this bag. Okay, I wanted to add a little Bible in here. This is my prayer Bible book, and it's so small. Highly recommend. I'll link it down below. I also have like all these. I want to do a full video on this. If you guys are interested, let me know. But I have like little tabs on the side, like, so for example, there's faith, oh sorry, anxiety right here. So I have like faith, anxiety, sad, tempted, tired, trust, marriage, praise, and stuff like that. And so I'll find Bible verses related to it, and this is anxiety, and this is Matthew 6:25. I will put it, actually, should I read it? Yes, we'll read it if you guys are interested in this inspiration. So that is why I tell you not to worry about everyday life, whether you have enough food and drink or enough clothes to wear. Isn't life more than food? And your body more than clothing? Look at the birds. They don't plant or harvest or store food in barns, for your heavenly Father feeds them. And aren't you far more valuable to him than they are? Can all your worries add a single moment to your life? And why worry about your clothing? Look at the lilies in the field and how they grow. They don't work or make their clothing. Yet Solomon in all his glory was not dressed as beautifully as they are. Okay, so it goes on and on and on, but basically, here's another part that I like. So don't worry about these things, saying what will we eat, what will we drink, what will we wear, because obviously God will take care of it. That was just a little summary. But yeah, check it out, Matthew 6:25-34. And so I absolutely love this. I'm actually gonna give this to my daughter. And it's pink, and if she's ever like needing like if she's feeling sad or anxious or anything, she's right next door, so that's why I'm whispering. She can just open up and then she'll find like certain Bible quotes related to strength. And so yeah, so I think this is so cool. I'm actually gonna make a whole video on this. This is my prayer Bible and like Bible quotes and inspiration. And this sun is in my eyes, guys. Anyways, I'll link this down below, and then the tabs, if it's still available, down below as well. Okay, lastly, I just wanted to show you guys that I have something in this beautiful box. Got this from a vintage thrift store. This is 100 years old, from the 1920s. And this is 1920 pearls. And it came from this gentleman that his grandma had this. And look how beautiful this is. These are 1920 pearls. They are this like yellowish pearls, and it is so beautiful. I think it goes actually so well with this necklace from Luisa, and I just absolutely love it. And what makes it so special is this is from the 1920s, and I got it for such a good price too. So look how cute that is. That is so cute. So definitely a vintage thrift find for me. And yeah, that is it, guys. This is gonna be pressing 20 minutes. So I will let you guys go, and I hope you have a blessed Thanksgiving. Hope you have a great vacation, and yeah, hope you have a great happy holidays as well. Oh, and also don't forget to check out Luisa and everything in their description box, and shop the Black Friday sale. Thank you again, guys, and I'll see you very soon. Bye-bye.